What's going on YouTube? Crazy Carl here. So, man, it's been a long time. Finally moved to our new house. Probably see me really close to this lens. But anyway, I got another video. The Cateye Pocket bike is finally running. The swing arm is off. I gotta have it welded up and a new chain made up. But I actually got the back end of the Cateye to work with the big X18 wheels on there. So let's check it out. I hear the airplane really good, but here it is, man. Finally got it running. Had to put a new carb on it. Got that big old X18 wheels on there. A little dirty from moving and being apart for a while. I had to cut the fairings on the bottom a little bit to get the big tire to work, but she's a runner though. One second, sorry for holding the camera. And that's in run mode. She's running pretty good. Kill switch does work. Neighbor's probably hating me as it is. But that was just an update video on the Cateye Pocket bike. I will be doing more videos of it. We'll be having my got to get a helmet mount. I lost mine for this my GoPro, so. But yeah, here's my helmet that I'll be using. Always wear a helmet, guys. No matter how big it is, how small it is, wear a helmet. And then I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.